everyone, we're going to talk about Ticketock today. This is a K through 12 ebook tool. There's many different things you can do with it. One thing I really like about it is you can try it for free before having to purchase anything. So that's what we're going to walk through today. So we're going to go up top, hit try for free. This is great. You'll see that it can be there's a bunch of different templates, and they can actually be broken down by grade, subject, Common Core standards, because I know that is a big thing with administration, making sure our lessons are connected to Common Core. And you can do different kinds of projects. So a lot of different ways to break this down. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at, lower elementary science templates. And I'm going to come down and hit search. So we had 259 total templates. Now we're down to 77. There's always the option for a blank book, but you can also see there's many different templates that you can pick from. What I'm going to do is we're going to do shapes in nature. And click on that. When you get to this, kind of the preview of it, it tells you the subject, tells you what kind of project, and it gives you the standards. It's great if you click standards full text. It actually writes out each of the standards for you, so it's an easy copy and paste into your lesson plan. From there, you can actually preview the book. So I can click through it, see what's in it. Okay, so we're going to talk about triangles, circles, rhombus, rectangles, hexagons, other shapes. And you can edit these shapes. These might be too difficult for, your students. That template looks great, so I'm actually going to view it in the editor. So it pops up, and it's wonderful because it reminds students not to share your personal information like your real name or your home address. I'm going to close out of that. You can see your different tools up here. One thing I like for little kids is you can have it on autosave, so you can enable autosave. So any changes that are made, it automatically saves it. I'm going to turn it off because there's a pop-up because I'm not signed in right now. First thing, though, I can change is the title. I like that, Shapes in Nature. What different shapes are out there? So we're going to go to the next page. And first place I can edit, I can dedicate it to, we'll say, my mom. All right, from there, there's triangles. You can go in. A triangle has, 3 sides and 3 corners. All right, a triangle is the shape of a mountain. Alright, from there, I can go to the next page, look at circles. You can go through and edit all these pages. So, circle is round, it has 0 sides and 0 corners. A circle is the shape of I'm actually going to say of the earth. We'll kind of delete that line. And for this one, I want to add a picture. So it's pretty simple. I come over here, add a picture. They actually have different kind of backgrounds that you can change if you want. But we're going to go to the gallery. They give you some simple pictures. I'm going to go around and see if they have the earth. There we go. Click on it. It tells me that it's currently overstretched. So I want to make it a little bit smaller. See if that will. There we go. All right. So you can also add in your own pictures if students do drawings. Same way, you go in here, but you would actually have to pull up my pictures. And you can't do that until you're signed in. So we'll close that. We'll wrap this up because my computer is also dying. When you're done, you can go through and hit save. and that's when you would add your email address in. You do not have to pay for it, but once you've saved it, you can see your book up here. Alright, if you try to do any edits though, they will make you pay. So if I try to X out, okay, it'll delete it. Let's try to go through that. So if you want a subscription, it is $19 for the basic and $75 for Digital Plus and $3.99. So that might be an option for you. It's a great tool. You should definitely try it out. Make a book that might work for you. Look at their lesson plans and their templates. Hope you learned something about Tickettalk today, and hopefully it can be a resource in your classroom.